The wheel weasel. Now, we came out with this a few months ago, and you might have seen a few inferior replicants of this little wheel cleaning tool already, but I'm here to tell you why the original is still the best and why you should invest your money in it. So we developed this with our Korean partner for microfiber. Now, this microfiber is not your normal sort of wash mitt style microfiber. It's actually ever so slightly different. The polyester blend is slightly higher, so it's got a little bit more cleaning ability when you compare it to a normal 70-30 blend, and also it's a little bit lighter, because the last thing, if this gets really soaked in water, and microfiber can hold a lot of water, that's why we love it for things like drying towels, etc. But because this is nice and lightweight, you can pick up something like Rotor wheel shampoo from the bucket, flick it behind the spokes, give it the old weasel, and it will clean behind the spokes, which is great for cleaning areas you don't normally see. It's good for preventing corrosion and just really getting in there and cleaning up the wheels. It all comes with these two nice solid canvas straps on the sides. It's just good and strong, can give it a really good pull. They're not going to come flying out. It's all sewn within itself. And the best thing is it's machine washable too. And you can wash it over and over and over again with a dedicated microfiber detergent. That is the Wheel Weasel.